Spectre Notebook is the best notebook HP's ever made. It is also the thinnest notebook that we've ever made. It is a marriage of engineering and design working together. As we look at the Spectre Notebook, you'll notice the bold use of a copper color. We wanted the warmth to come out. We wanted it to feel a little bit more like a piece of jewelry. It is more artisan than manufactured. It looks as if a craftsman made just one of those. What you're going to find is this unique piece of metal to the back. It has an artisan feel, almost if it was hammered out, filed, polished. The hinge is a re-engineered lift mechanism tucked away to the inside. It uses pistons to lift and lower the display. This notebook incorporates Intel Core performance. That's one of the top-end, highest performance Intel Core processors. It delivers long battery life, but also a very sleek and nice form factor. This uses USB-C, the next generation of USB. Each of these is not only data in and data out, it's also power. In the past, you had to have so many different connectors. Now you only need one. Bang & Olufsen audio is part of the design. The speaker perf is machined in. It's almost lace-like in metal. When you look at the Spectre, it doesn't look like any other notebook out there. This is the balance of great engineering and beautiful lifestyle design, all captured in that Spectre Notebook.